Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance is more than just a narrative about a father and son on a road trip. It's a profound exploration of the philosophy of quality. Robert Pirsig takes us on a journey that intertwines the mechanics of motorcycle maintenance with deep philosophical questions about life and existence. Through the lens of the narrator's reflections, we delve into the dichotomy between the rational and the romantic approaches to life. Pirsig introduces us to the concept of quality as an elusive yet essential element that transcends mere measurement. He argues that true understanding comes from engaging with the world around us, whether it's fixing a bike or contemplating the nature of reality. The book challenges us to find balance in our lives, urging us to appreciate both the technical and the artistic aspects of our experiences. Ultimately, it's a quest for self-discovery, where the journey itself becomes as significant as the destination. Pirsig's work invites us to reflect on our own values and the ways we seek meaning in our lives, making it a timeless read for anyone interested in the intersection of philosophy and everyday life.